Hi y'all, it's Charlene from the Crafty Art Shack. Today we're doing something a little different than a craft. I am going to show you what I had a major problem with and why our channel was down for a while is because of camera issues. So we've learned how to fix those camera issues. This is the Canon EOS M50. Now I went on the internet and there's several tips and tricks for you to try to make this work. The first one is to take out the battery, replace it with another battery, and put it back in there. And watch this, you guys. Nothing. Still nothing. I should have a picture over here on the screen. Okay, so then what it is this camera needs to be reset. So I ordered a new set of batteries. I put them in. That didn't work. I went in here and I took, let me show y'all what I did. Everything I tried. I took a little Q-tip and I took some rubbing alcohol and I cleaned all these little, can you see those little things right there on the thing? I cleaned each one of them. And then down inside the camera where that connects, I don't know if y'all can see that in there, there's those little connectors right there. And I took the end of my Q-tip and put some alcohol in it and cleaned those. Okay, that didn't work. So I took my battery and I charged it, put it back in, because this is one of the things they said do. Take a battery, get a brand new, or your battery, charge it, stick it back in, and then stick in your card reader into your camera, and then turn it on. Nothing. I was upset at this point, okay? Because this camera, we spent quite a bit of money on it trying to produce quality videos for crafters, and when it didn't work, I said this has got to be fixed. My husband was about to tell me to buy another one, and I'm thrifty. I'm sorry, I'm thrifty. What I did is I went and took the battery out, took the card out, and then when I went on Amazon and I found this little gadget. Okay, I'm going to show you what it is in just a minute, but I'm showing y'all this for those who want to know what it is. Amazon doesn't let me put a link on because I don't have 1,000 subscribers yet. So y'all subscribe because it really helps our channel and us be able to show you where we got our products from. So in that, you get this little thing that looks just like a battery. Okay, it's not as heavy and it's got a little hole. Can you see that hole right there? Okay, now it comes with this little wall charger that you can leave hooked up directly to your camera. Now how this works is you take that little box and you put it in your, you want to make sure you're putting it in the right way. Put it in your little thing and that'll click. Then you want to put your SD card in. Okay, and then you want to close it. Okay, then there's a little tab right here. And you take and turn it. Now, I didn't ever know this was there, but I found out because I needed to fix my camera. Okay, and then what I did is I took, let me get this hooked up for y'all so I can show you that it does what it does. Okay, so now I've got it plugged into the wall. Now you take this and you plug it into your camera. And now you turn your camera on and looky there. It works. Okay, now I got a black screen because I got my lens on still. Yeah, so see, now I've got visual camera. I thought, this is great. At least I can use it here in the studio when making my camera things. But you guys watch this. I took and turned off my camera. I went and took out the little plug, close it back up, pop this open, get that battery out, and it'll shoot out sometimes. And then I take my charged battery. Now I just did this because I wasn't sure whether it was going to work or not. But you guys got to put that battery in the right way. And then you close it up, click it, and then watch this. Ta-da! Guess what? This thing needs a reset. My camera wouldn't do all the resets. So how I had to reset it was this little charging bank that hooks directly to your camera. And it reset everything for me so that it would take the pictures. You guys, that's all we have for you to hear today, but I sure hope it helps somebody out there in the YouTube world that doesn't know how to get their Canon M50 working again. This is a trick that worked for me. Y'all go try it, and we'll see you later. That's all, folks. Bye.